Hi everyone, welcome to Quality Insights by Patent Cloud. In this video, we'll show you how to use Claim Insights and File Wrapper Search in Quality Insights. Claim Insights compares each claim element and corresponding prior art derived from the prosecution and post-grant proceedings records. On the top of the comparison table, click the Expand or Collapse icon to expand full text of all paragraphs extracted from OA or IPR documents. Next, click the highlight icon to colour the prior art and claim elements. With File Wrapper Search, you can conduct keyword searches such as claim terms or prior art references to quickly filter out related documents across the file wrappers. On each event, you can click to get a side-by-side display of the original PDF and OCR file. Conduct keyword searches in this document or download the PDF file directly. Thanks for watching.